Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Soil Cream Tech in Hand, a go to place for mastering your favorite apps and tech tips. Today we have got a popular request how to delete contacts from IMO. Whether you are cleaning up your contact list or just want a fresh start, we have got you covered. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out our popular helpful guides. Let's get started. Alright, here we are in the IMO app. Deleting contacts is a breeze, but let me walk you through the process step by step. First thing first, open your IMO app, make sure you are logged into your account and you are on the main screen. Next, we need to go to the contacts section, look for the contact you want to delete, just tap on that contact. Now click on the three dots menu on the top right corner of the IMO app. Now on this screen, you will see the profile of that contact. Just click on that profile. On the next screen, you will see the three dots. Click on these three dots on the top right corner of your screen, and now look at the bottom of that screen. You will find the delete contact button. Now the magic moment, tap on the delete button. IMO will ask you to confirm just to make sure you are obviously sure. Hit yes and voila, the contact is gone. But wait, there is more. Here are a few tips to make your emo experience even better. If you are deleting a contact to declutter, consider organizing your remaining contacts in a group. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy guide on how to delete contacts from your emo. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your emo buddies. Don't forget to subscribe for mastery tips. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.